Hello everyone. Welcome to Beginner English Practice. Today, we are going to learn prepositions in a fun and easy way. Have you ever been confused by words like in, on, at, by, with? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand prepositions perfectly. So, let's get started. Basic explanation of prepositions. Prepositions are small but powerful words that show the relationship of place, time, or direction in a sentence. For example, the book is on the table. The book is placed on top of the table. She is in the room. She is inside the room. I will meet you at 5 p.m. The meeting happens at a specific time. See? These tiny words make a big difference in sentence structure. Fun examples. A character makes a mistake using the wrong preposition, creating a funny situation. Let's make this fun. I am on the car. Wait. This is wrong. If I say, I am on the car, it means I am sitting on top of the car. But what do I actually mean? The correct sentence should be, I am in the car. It means the character moves inside the car. I am at the swimming pool. Wait. If I say, I am at the swimming pool, it means I am standing near the pool, but not inside the water. But I actually mean. The correct sentence should be, I am in the swimming pool. It means the character moves inside the swimming pool. Such small mistakes can completely change the meaning. So, let's learn 10 important prepositions with easy examples. In. I am in the room. On. The phone is on the table. At. He is at the bus stop. By. He is sitting by the window. With. She is playing with her friends. About. We are talking about movies. For. This gift is for you. To. I am going to school. From. He is coming from the market. Between. The park is between the school and the hospital. Remember these 10 prepositions, and speaking English will become much easier. Interactive quiz. Now, let's test your knowledge. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. 1. The book is dash the bag. 2. I will meet you dash Monday. 3. She is standing dash the door. Type your answers in the comments. I'll check who gets them right. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like and share this video. And for more easy English lessons, subscribe to Beginner English Practice. Remember, learning English is easy if you make it fun. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.